everyone, and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today is going to be a bit of a special episode because today we're actually going to be making an alcoholic dessert beverage that is sure to resonate with all the people in my native Ohio. We're going to make a Buckeye Shot. So let's do it. Alright, so let's take a minute to talk Buckeyes. Now, if you're not from Ohio, you might know this is a Buckeye. But here in Ohio, we actually have a Buckeye candy. And essentially, it's just a peanut butter cup that has the peanut butter filling rolled into a ball and then dunked into chocolate to look like this. And that's a Buckeye. Now, my goal was to get that into a drink. Now, of course, you could just mix peanut butter alcohols and chocolate alcohols together and call it a Buckeye, but what fun is that? You gotta give it a little bit more depth. So I decided that I wanted to make a dessert drink, and this is what I've come up with. Okay, so to make our dessert Buckeye drink, it's gonna require 3 steps. 1, we're going to make a chocolate shot glass, and that's going to act like the candy coating for the outside of the Buckeye. 2, we need to make a peanut butter flavoring to flavor our alcohol with. And then finally 3, we mix our alcohol and our peanut butter filling together to make our peanut butter filling flavored alcohol, and then we pour it in our chocolate shot glass. Ta-da, we're done. Alright, so I'd like to give a big shout out real quick to Chef Mike from work, who gave me a little bit of inspiration for this dish because we had gotten talking about making a peanut butter soup. And then we kind of went into different applications, and we eventually settled on wouldn't it be cool to make a drink out of that. So that's where I kind of came up with the idea of doing the chocolate shot glass and then doing the peanut butter filling stuff. But it all came down to Mike bringing up that peanut butter soup. So thanks, Mike. Also, if you want to actually see how to make a chocolate shot glass by itself, I did a video earlier this week on how to make chocolate shot glasses. So I'll leave a link in the description down below, and you can check it out there. Alright, who's ready to make a Buckeye Shot just in time for Ohio State's big game this weekend? Go Buckeyes. And that's my take on a Buckeye Shot. Now, little thing that I kind of found out is that you could take the shot normally and it's just delicious. But what I like to do is like to sip it. Sip the alcohol, take a bite out of the edge of the shot glass. And you get the full experience of the whole peanut butter cup thing. So it's pretty nice. Also, as a pro tip, when you peel off the paper from the Dixie Cup, sometimes it'll break off right around that little ring at the bottom. I like to leave that little ring on so you can set the cup down and not worry about staining anything. Alright, well that's all I have time for today. Stop by later in the week where we're going to be making Dutch Apple Crunch Pizza. You're not going to want to miss it. It turned out awesome. I'll see you then.